Once upon a time, Adu had the misfortune to lose one of her eyes and couldn't see anything on her side, that side. To avoid any danger, she always used to feed one high cliff near the sea, with her sound eye looking towards the land. By this means that she could see whenever the hunters approached her on the land, and often she escaped by this means. But the hunters found out that she was blind of one eye, and hiring a boat, rowed under the cliff where she used to feed and shot her from the sea. Ah, cried she with her dying voice. So, in short, you know, people, you cannot escape your fate. Whatever is written, you have to face it. Hit like, subscribe, and share. Fantastical Journeys with Amina.